Think your phone shoots smooth video? Think again. This is the DJI Pocket 2. Tiny, 4K, gimbal stabilized, and insanely powerful. Hi, I'm Jen, and welcome to another review by the Masters. Before we dive in, smash that like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's look into the details for this tiny powerhouse. Buttery smooth is an understatement. Run, walk, dance, it stays rock solid. 3-axis gimbal makes every shot pro level, without the bulky rig. Crisp, 4K at 60 frames per second. Upgraded 1.17-inch sensor with f1.8 lens. Day or night, shots stay clean and cinematic. Low light, no problem. Great video needs great sound. 4 built-in mics, directional pickup, wind reduction, audio zoom, crystal clear voice, ambient sound alive. Want it to do the work? ActiveTrack 3.0 locks and follows you anywhere. Need fast edits? AI Editor builds clips and transitions automatically. Post in seconds. Panoramas, hyperlapses, slow-mo, time lapses, all in one tiny device. No heavy gear, no complicated editing, instant creativity. Level up with the Creator Combo. Wireless mic, wide-angle lens, and tripod. Basically a full content studio that weighs less than your phone. So, the pros? Rock-solid stabilization, amazing 4K, great audio, creative modes, and pocket convenience. And the cons? Tiny screen, average battery, and not waterproof without a case. Don't forget to grab yours with my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost. Also remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons for plenty more reviews. The DJI Pocket 2. Small, powerful, ready for cinematic everything. Big creativity, pocket size.
Thank you for watching. We're dedicated to bringing you fresh perspectives and groundbreaking ideas. Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and join our community for more insights.